peek our microphone just to make sure we're clapping hard enough. And let's go. Welcome back to another exciting unboxing. A new year of unboxings here on Civvie. This time we have another paint set. I have a paint problem. I need to do a video on all the paints that I have. You've only seen the Vallejo and the game color ones. I also have a whole lot of Citadels, and the way I store them is actually somewhat interesting, so maybe I should do a video on that. But first, we need more paints. I have a problem with brown. I use it all the time. Boots, belts, hair, skin tone, need it all for brown. But I also have a problem with, I only have like one brown and a couple tans. So we're going through brown pretty quickly in our weekly, or bi-weekly, streams where we paint minis. I'm currently painting a Owlman. He doesn't use any brown yet, but you know, he's still got feet, never know. So we're gonna get in here. I'm gonna tell you what's going on, because on the Amazon, they don't tell you what colors go in here. I need to know what colors there are. Anyway, on the outside, we have wood and leather, acrylic colors for painting wood, dark, light, and red leather. It comes with a bunch of color codes. These would actually tell you what it is if you could read them on the Amazon page, but you can't, so read them here. Now that you're done reading them, it apparently also comes with a step-by-step tutorial on how to paint browns, wooden stuff. On the side, we've got basically the same thing. There we go, in focus. On the back, we have a whole lot, and we actually have what colors they theoretically are down here, but it's tiny on Amazon, so you can't read it. So let's get in here and discover which colors we actually have. This is really dumb that I have to do these unboxings, but it really makes me angry. So I'm going to do them, and you're going to hate them, and that's okay. So, wood and leather. We're going to put this on our shelf once we get a chance. But what's in here? That's a lot of browns. You want some browns? Here's that smoke. Ooh. Okay, nothing else in the box. Empty box, got it. In the recycling. So, once again, we get here's our step-by-step guide, which is apparently color the shield lots of browns. And then put some lines on it. This shield already has lines that look like wood. You could paint it any brown, it'd look like wood. But that's okay. It's some stuff about basic shading techniques. And leather. And then on the back we have more leather tutorial. So that's great and all. Welcome to having a compressor. So let's see what browns we got here. This is not a brown. This right here, not brown. Let's see if we can get it all in sort of frame here. All right, here we go. We're in frame. Beautiful. Okay, starting from the side here, we've got dark sand. Sorry, reading is hard. I've been reading all day. Everyone does it most days, which is just a sandy sort of color. We've got Japanese UNIF, World War II. Okay, which I assume is one of the Japanese camo colors from World War II, which is a darker sort of sandy brown. This is sandy. This is like a darker, maybe a little green mixed in. I'm not sure. In English, we call this orange brown. So this one is that's okay. Right back in there. By the way, these don't come sealed, so if you get a really old Vallejo kit, it may be dried out. Ooh, the Panzer series, yeah, flat Earth, yeah, wow. So I assume that's just earthy color. Chocolate brown, when you paint all your dogs. Wood grain, which is probably the dark part of wood grain. Smoke, is this actually brown? Smoke's more like gray. No, that's brown. Okay, brown it is. And then we've got just straight up black, which is great. You always need more blacks. I have like 5 of them now, because it seems to come in every Vallejo kit. You get a black. So, there you go. There's the Vallejo model color hold on. I threw it in the garbage. Wood and leather kit. All the colors. You also got to see what the actual colors are right here. And I'll try and get them back in focus. There you go. Right there. And, whoops. For now, I'm Civvie. Here's a bunch of paints. I'll see you guys next time.